Welcome to FrieslandCampina Thailand. FrieslandCampina is from Netherlands. We have a local brand, which is the foremost brand, the one that you see here, talking about 300 million tons of milk per year. The products that we sell is not only for domestic, we also supply to other countries in Asia region. We also supply canned products. I'm in charge of the project that we use the machine from Cermex. For the Bottle Life project in Thailand, we have the code name called the OSL. OSL means the optimal shelf life. By doing this project, we believe that we can deliver the products with a longer shelf life than what we have delivered to the market in the past. For the scope of supply, for this new bottle line, we start from the processing, filling, packing until the end of line. For Cermex, they supply us the lane dividers and also for the wraparound case packer machine. On top of that, is also the integrated between the conveyor from other suppliers to their machine. At the lane dividers, we can make a choice to have 3 up to 8 lanes before feeding to the machine. For the case packers, we have capabilities to handle different formats, go through the wraparound case packer machine. From that lens, we have the products complexities for the 4 sizes of bottles, so the machine itself can differentiate the lanes from 3 to 8, and then we pack into different box sizes depending on the size of the bottles. We can achieve up to 24 cases per minute, which is really high. Eventually, this case packer can even pack all the products, even more than 500 bottles per minute, which is outstanding. Yes, talking about the saving of packaging, this secondary packaging between the RSC and wraparound, you basically can get saving 30% easily. Cermex has helped us in validating different formats in-house first, so that we can really guarantee that by the time we receive the machine, we just plug and play, and then we can get the result. It's like a vertical startup to me. Among of other machines, Cermex is the one can really deliver the highest machine reliabilities comparing to the rest. Why we choose Cermex for this line? First of all, I have heard a lot of good experience with Cermex, not only from our resources from the regional procurement, but also the actual machine we have installed it in the past for the different business. Say in the can business, we already have one Cermex machine for the wraparound case packers to take care of our can products. So that's a good start. Even when we start the initial discussion, before we go for the final selection, we have a lot of technical discussion with the Cermex staff. Shows that they have very strong knowledge in delivering the solution to the customers. They are also responsive when we ask or clarify anything. They are really in touch with us, and that's really create the feeling that Cermex should be the right guys to do the job with us. Yeah, eventually we come to the state of start up the machine. This massive bottle production end to end is really difficult to start up. Luckily that we choose Cermex because this is the only one machine that can deliver the expected performance almost within the week for the very good FAT happening before we shipping the machine to the factory, and also thanks to the Cermex for the technical support along the way. Running the new production line in the big factory like this is always come up with a different problem here and there, which we cannot really control. But Cermex, they are really flexible. once we ask them for the support, or when we encounter different challenges, they are really willing to support. That's the key reason why we can really start up this line successfully. Thanks for that.